Greetings. This is Jeff Saunders, currently head of drug discovery at Casma Therapeutics. In 2003, I had the great fortune to meet Dr. Ranga and Krishna, who were on a tour of East and West Coast pharma and biotech companies. They were pitching a young CRO focused on providing chemical capabilities at an exceptionally reasonable annual rate. I took a chance and gave them a portion of our lead program at Elixir Pharmaceuticals. We both spent significant time and energy developing a strong, honest, transparent relationship, reflective of a critical mutual philosophy. It soon became clear that Cy was very capable. Ultimately, in fact, they provided our clinical candidate and prepared a multi-kilo batch for our clinical effort. Since then, I've been with multiple startup companies, and for nearly all of them, I've relied heavily on Cy. They've always assigned great leadership to my programs and top-notch, highly productive teams, always conscientious about our internal goals. One of the things I've especially appreciated about Cy, which clearly derives from the top and differentiates them from other CROs, is an attitude of whatever you want and need. Cy has maintained a much appreciated small company feel. Consistently over the years, they have adopted and grown to provide capabilities well beyond chemistry that have been a great part of my successes at multiple companies since the early days at Elixir. Going forward, I wish Cy all continued successes as they consolidate in the new Hyderabad facility, always maintaining those founding principles of strong, honest, and transparent relationships. Thank you, and best to all.